Miss Sonia doing little Livy's hair today, which is a lot more curly and shorter than Sylvie's.
Challenge our fun making skills, but I think we can do it. Hey Lily, can you face the wall, girl? Okay, so obviously you've just seen the video of little Sylvie, and she's got oodles and oodles of hair, but not everybody has long, thick hair like that. So it's good for you to see how you would put someone's hair, because I get a lot of questions where people say, I can't do my little one's hair because it's too short. But there's always a way. I mean, obviously sometimes you can't. But we use lots of hairspray and some water to really get all the flyaways back. Does that feel nice? Yeah? Good little model. Am I pulling it too tight, or are you okay? I think it's magically getting longer as I'm doing it. You think? Cute. Now, I'm sure Miss Sky mentioned doesn't have to be perfect, okay? So we just want you to have a good go, and we'll be here to help you. This is particularly for our older school age kids who are, wearing uniforms to class at ballet each week. Look at that. That feel good? The preschoolers, the bright lights classes need a ballet bun, and a tiny little lights don't have to. So with a couple of these bits here, I'm just going to pin them. This. Okay, now I'm actually going to divide her ponytail in two, like we did for the other one, and I'm going to twirl it around. Or actually, let me see. I'm going to tease it a little bit, give it a bit more volume. Like that. And I'll try it like this, I think. Now, I like using bobby pins as opposed to bun pins. I go like this, and I put my mouth in it, and I open it up, and then I put it in that way and in like that. I like to do the pins first. Open it up, put the bottom in, and then twist it into her hair like that. Hey Livy, can you face the little sweet girl? Oh, won't be too much longer. This. Now you can use these pins here, bun pins, and you would just go like that. Then the bun net. Now this is massive, she would need a little one. Making sure that the bun net matches the same colour as her hair. I'm going to wrap it around. Now I would, like I said, I just use a single net. This is like for people with really long hair. This. And then get some more pins. That's so cute. Now you can see with these pins it's like sticking through. So that's why I don't really use those ones unless you can get really thin ones. That's why I find these ones so good. Yes. Oh, it's so cute. Okay. She's got a lot of flyaways, so you just do really. Hair gel's good too if you've got some hair gel, and really wet it beforehand. And then,
Good job.
Bow.
We'll give the bows at the concert.
Yeah.
Do you like it? Can you show the audience your hair? Can you turn around? Turn around. Look at that way so they can see your lovely bun. Oh, look at that. Good job.
There's heaps of flowers. I would use gel in her hair. Gel would be better. Yeah.
Say thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.